Welcome to TotallyJewishTravel.com, your platform for exploring Passover programs worldwide. Italy, a country where ancient history meets natural beauty and vibrant culture. This Passover, imagine celebrating the holiday immersed in Italy's breathtaking landscapes, historic treasures, and renowned cuisine, all while keeping to the traditions of Pesach. Italy's appeal is timeless. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the sandy shores of Sicily, and from the snow-capped Alps in the north to the enchanting Adriatic Coast, there's no end to the unique locations that make Italy a premier destination for Passover travelers. Passover programs here allow you to explore these wonders with everything taken care of, from kosher meals to daily minyanim, educational classes, and more. Passover programs in Italy offer guests the chance to relax, explore, and embrace the holiday's traditions without the hassle of meal prep or logistics. These programs often provide organized tours to local attractions, allowing you to visit nearby historic and cultural sites with ease. Each day is filled with carefully prepared kosher meals, interactive programming, and religious services, so you can truly enjoy the holiday. If you're looking to experience Italy's northern landscapes, destinations like Lake Maggiore in the surrounding Alps offer pristine lakeside views and mountain trails, perfect for hiking and exploring. In springtime, these areas bloom with vibrant colors and provide a serene backdrop to your holiday. Many programs here offer access to wellness amenities like spas, pools, and scenic walking paths for a mix of adventure and relaxation. The Adriatic Coast is famous for its golden beaches and lively coastal towns, making it an ideal location for those who want a sun-soaked Passover. The beachside destinations of Rimini and Milano Marittima offer family-friendly options, water sports, and inviting promenades along the shore. Many Passover programs here include kids clubs, evening entertainment, and even beach access, providing something for everyone in the family. On the Ligurian Riviera, places like Portofino and San Remo capture the charm of Italy's Mediterranean coastline. This region is known for its lush landscapes, colorful harbor towns, and relaxing beaches. Pesach programs here often come with guided nature hikes, private beaches, and gourmet culinary experiences, making it easy to take in both the beauty of the surroundings and the flavors of Italy's kosher cuisine. Not far from the iconic city of Venice, Lido di Jesolo offers a beautiful seaside escape. Just a short boat ride from the historic canals and bridges of Venice, this location combines cultural exploration with beach relaxation. Many Passover programs in the area include boat trips, guided tours of Venice, and family-friendly activities, so you can explore the rich Venetian culture during your stay. For those drawn to Italy's southern charm, the Amalfi Coast offers stunning ocean views, vibrant towns, and historic sites. Nearby Paestum is home to some of Italy's most important Greek ruins, offering a fascinating glimpse into ancient history. Passover programs in this region provide a full holiday experience, often including tours of local historic sites, gourmet kosher meals, and programs for kids and adults alike. Further south, Sicily is known for its pristine beaches, peaceful cliffs, and fascinating archaeological sites. Here you can explore ancient Greek temples, hike in serene nature reserves, or simply relax on Sicily's quiet shores. Passover programs on the island often include family-friendly activities, outdoor excursions, and a variety of amenities like pools, spas, and kids clubs to make the holiday comfortable for everyone. And on Sardinia, Italy's second-largest island, you'll find a mix of rugged landscapes, beautiful beaches, and archaeological wonders. Sardinia's natural beauty is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts offering activities like hiking, swimming, and nature tours. Passover programs here typically include excursions to the island's historic sites and nature reserves, as well as luxurious on-site amenities. Italy is an unforgettable destination for Passover, where tradition and natural beauty meet. Explore Passover programs across Italy with TotallyJewishTravel.com and celebrate with everything you need.